welcome back. Today is episode number 3 and we are installing the rear strut bar, which is going to go right behind my rear seats right there, and it's going to mount between the two absorber mountings. Once we do that, we're going to take it around for a spin and see what's what. All you got to do is take the absorber mounting protective covers out. Easy peasy, one out, the other one done. And then as you will see, they are the same size as the front, which is 14mm, the same one we used last week. What I'm going to do is loosen them out. There you have it, guys. The rear tower bar is in. Alright, first impressions. The rear strut bar has tightened up the rear end just a bit. It is of course not a anti-roll bar yet. It's just a strut bar that connects the two towers. I do feel that the back end is behaving a bit more as compared to before. Remember that last time I used to feel a lot more roll, which was kind of annoying because the car just sort of leaned towards the end. That has reduced a lot. So let's recap. We've got two bars right now, the front strut bar and the rear strut bar. And so far we've already felt that the front is a bit more sharper on turn-in and the rear end rolls a lot lesser after the rear strut bar. So next up, on the next episode, we're going to have the rear anti-roll bar. That's a 16mm piece. That is going to make a hell of a lot of difference. Stay tuned.